guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing something different. We are doing a Black Friday sale haul. I'm going on a trip in like about 2 days and I have shopped a lot, like literally like the entire place is filled with bags and we're gonna see everything that I ordered online, street shopping, Black Friday sale haul. So this is going to be a huge haul. First up, we have some makeup. I really wanted to try Maybelline ka Naya Bubble Colossal Mascara. So I got this one and I tried this and this is really a good long lasting mascara, I would say. Next I got Sugar Ka lip tint and it's in the shade 05. I also got Sugar Ka blush. It is in the shade 02. Next up I got this really hydrating gloss. I also ordered few stuff off Blinkit and I am amazed by the amount of things Blinkit has added in related with fashion and accessories, which is crazy. So I got this boob tape. Next I got this set of rings. I'm wearing one of them. Ye kya ho gaya guys? Yeah, these are two of the rings. They look really pretty. The last thing that we got from Blinkit are stick-on nails from this brand Wembley. I've tried this brand before. In fact, the nails that I'm wearing right now are from this brand. I got these really pretty nude nails with like bows and pearls. Next, I had been to Commercial Street. हमने वहाँ से थोड़ी सी street shopping की and we got a lot of accessories and stuff. First off, we have these really funky earrings. This chunky bracelet, also this set of vintage chunky bracelet looks really cool. Next I got these starfish earrings. Also we got a bunch of earrings from this one street vendor. Got these silver oxidized minimal flower key gold hoops with oxidized studs. It's pretty pearl earrings, bow shaped earrings with shell. I got the same in gold as well. And lastly I got these oxidized earrings. I also got a very cute mini lip tint which has like a small keychain, so I can put this on my bag. It comes in this really cute packaging which I just couldn't resist but buy. Next up I got more accessories. This is a thigh accessory. So it's like this, it goes on the thigh like this. There's an elastic which you just wear. Up next, I tried this brand for the first time. It's called Miss Muse. I got my birthday dress from there. It's this very pretty long black dress which is like netted and stuff. It's like a full length dress. Next up I got this sheer dress from Myntra. I'll have to style it with some bodycon dress inside for on the sleeves. I can't wait to style this because there's something different. It's just a piece of net basically, you could say. Next I got a lot of stuff from stuff from Zudio. Starting off with this vest kind of thing. These tie-ups in the side. We got a lot of footwear from Zudio this time because they had like really pretty collection. So starting off with these really pretty silver heels. So my birthday dress is a silver dress and I got these heels to go with it. We also got this pair of black platform heels. These look really classy as well. These platform sandals, and of course I got some cotton pads. We also got another chunky bracelet bangle kind of thingy. More accessories. This is an anklet but I think we can wear it as a bracelet. So there's this one and the same one in silver as well. I think these are newly launched in Zudio. These are like perfume sticks. I got these two. So I don't really use a lot of perfume, but like when I do, I use very mild perfume. I don't really like strong perfumes. Next up, we also got this turtleneck for my mom. It's just a plain basic white full sleeve turtleneck. Oh yeah, this is another footwear that we got from Zudio. It's like this embroidery. Also got this one corset for my mom. It's like white and blue flowers with like the same print pant. It's like cotton printed corset. Some things from Lifestyle as well. I'm not really sure what exactly we got from where, but we got like this one brown belt. It looks really classy. These flats. We got another cord set for my mom. Brown halter neck shimmer top kind of thing. So it's just like a basic cord set. Got these earrings to go with my birthday dress, so everything is silver in that. Got a few wet wipes. We also got these set of hairpins. Next up, we also shopped from H&M, of course, but these really comfy cotton linen blend pants. These are like red and white striped pants, straight fit, of course. I also got a blazer, this blazer, which was on like 40% off, which was a great deal for a blazer. Big black blazer with like a belt kind of situation here. I will just put a clip of me wearing it. We also got this from Lifestyle, striped pants, trouser pants. These are straight fit pants. Next, I got this formal pants. So it's basic straight fit trousers, black color formal trousers. Also got this from Zudio, this half sleeve shirt kind of thing for like overlaying over crop tops or anything like that. Street shopping, I also got these cute hair clips. Next up, I ordered a lot of I ordered a lot of tops online as well. This is like a halter neck plus a backless top kind of situation. I'll put a clip of me wearing it here. I'm really into red tops right now, so I got another one which is like a tube top, which comes with a thing that you know put around your neck. Also, next I got these really pretty dress, a golden shimmer dress. It's again a mini dress. This is how it looks. We got this corduroy pants in beige color. Next, I got another casual trouser, ribbed texture. Next, I got this really cute top, and I got these crochet shorts, which I think would look really cute on the trip. And then I also got this mini top. Also got this one shoulder top. Next, we also have this butter yellow tank top kind of crop top. Next, my favorite thing from the shopping is this top. It's like a butterfly top. Next, I got a few things from R&B as well. We got this pair of socks, 3 pair of socks. I got another pair of men's socks for my dad as well. So I got this mini wallet. So like, I was looking for something like this that can, you know, hold something small, basically, that can hold some cash and a few cards, which can also fit in my pocket, guys, because I'm not really a bag person. If you know me, this can fit in my jeans ka pocket. Next, we got 2 perfumes from R&B. I got one from the men's section. This smells very refreshing. I got one from the woman as well. It's the My Story. I always choose like something mild. My favorite part of the haul, anything I got from Numi. Starting off with this mini skirt, mini skirt. I really love how the waist goes like this. It looks very flattering. Next, we have this white top, which is also again a very cute top, halter neck. It looks like this, and then this goes on the tying part. Next, we got 2 pieces of this really cute top. It has like shell and star detailing. Also, comment down below, guess where we are going for a trip. We got two of these to twin with my sister. Next we have this crochet cord set. It's a pretty green cord set. Okay, I got this really textured cream color straight fit jeans. I got this very pretty velvet mini dress which has like this very delicate detailing on it. And next we got my birthday dress. Finally, I'm going to be wearing this very pretty silver dress which I will put like a clip of me wearing it here. Also got this mini bag, like a very classy beige bag with this detailing. And I'm not really a bag person, but I'm gonna try to be one. And that's it for the Black Friday sale haul. Super excited to style these outfits and show you guys. Until my next one, stay tuned. Bye. Now who's gonna clean this mess? My god.